Science 6, the endocrine system. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify and describe the major structures and functions of the endocrine system. Name some organs of the endocrine system. Explain the difference between endocrine glands and exocrine glands. Do you remember testosterone, progesterone, and estrogen? Yes. They are substances that help your reproductive system to function. These helper substances are also called hormones. And the organs responsible for producing these hormones belong to another body system called the endocrine system. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is composed of organs called glands that produce substances called hormones. Hormones help your body in many ways. There are hormones that manage your body's metabolism, energy level, reproduction process, growth and development, and responses to stress, mood changes, and injury. The endocrine glands regulate the release of hormones in your body. Hormones should always be released in its correct quantity. Excess or reduced presence of body hormones is associated to various types of ailments. Glands can be endocrine or exocrine glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. They release hormones directly into the bloodstream. Exocrine glands are glands that release hormones through ducts, such as the salivary glands in the mouth and the digestive glands. Different endocrine glands. The hypothalamus, located at the lower central part of your brain, helps control another endocrine gland called pituitary gland. It also helps keep your body's internal balance, known as homeostasis. Hormones. Gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, helps signal the release of follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH, from the anterior pituitary. Vasopressin, antidiuretic hormone, maintains blood pressure in your body and affects water retention in kidneys. This hormone gets stored in the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is a peanut-shaped organ located at the base of your brain. It is called the master gland because its hormones regulate other important endocrine glands. The pituitary gland has two parts. The anterior, or front pituitary, produces hormones that affect the breasts, adrenals, thyroid, ovaries, and testes, among others. The posterior, or rear pituitary, affects the kidneys and female organs related to childbirth and rearing. Hormones. Somatotropic or growth-stimulating hormone affects the growth of your body during childhood and your body's metabolism through protein and fat processing. Prolactin helps in breast milk production. Luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, controls the production of estrogen in female gonads, and testosterone in male gonads, and the production of eggs and sperm cells. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped organ located in the neck just below the larynx. Hormones. Thyroid hormone affects your mental development and your body's growth, maturation, and metabolism. Thyrocalcitonin, or calcitonin, promotes bone formation and maintains the correct level of calcium and phosphate in your blood. The parathyroid gland is a pea-sized gland located behind your thyroid. Hormones. Parathyroid hormone, PTH, or parathormone, regulates the calcium levels in your blood. Adrenal glands are the two grape-sized, triangular organs, each located above your kidneys. They have an outer part called cortex and an inner part called medulla. Hormones. Released through adrenal cortex, hydrocortisone, or cortisol, controls how your body uses fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. It also helps regulate blood pressure and affects blood sugar and bone formation. Corticosterone helps the hydrocortisone control immune response and inflammatory reactions, released through adrenal medulla. Adrenaline or epinephrine enables your body to act during emergency situations by increasing the heart rate, oxygen intake, and blood flow. Noradrenaline or norepinephrine maintains your heart rate and blood pressure. The islets of Langerhans are endocrine glands inside the pancreas. Hormones. Glucagon helps raise the level of blood sugar. Insulin helps lower the level of blood sugar, stimulates your body's use of glucose, protein, and fat. Gonads refer to the ovaries for females and testes for males. Hormones. Testosterone controls the development of male secondary sex characteristics. Progesterone stimulates the lining of the uterus for fertilization and prepares the breasts for milk production. Estrogen affects the development of female sexual characteristics and reproductive development. It also helps keep healthy bones. The pineal gland is located deep inside the middle of your brain. Hormones. Melatonin induces sleep at night to help maintain your sleep cycle. The thymus gland is behind your sternum and between your lungs that stays active only until puberty. During its active phase, it supports the protective system of your body called immune system and helps prevent autoimmunity, which occurs when your immune system attacks your body. Hormones. Thymosin stimulates the development of disease-fighting T cells. Practice exercises. Identify the glands that produce the following hormones. 1. Vasopressin. Answer. Hypothalamus. 2. Luteinizing hormone. Answer. Pituitary. 3. Cortisol. Answer. Adrenal gland. 4. Insulin. Answer. Islets of Langerhans. 5. Melatonin. Answer. Pineal.